the magic happens.
The parties are
Fun and work come together.
I have a lot of fun with my colleagues.
My heart beats.
We have a lot of fun at work.
I feel seen.
Talent meets spirit.
Your passion has space.
We are living creativity and innovation.
I can learn new things.
Everybody supports each other.
I have the team which I love the most.
Your team makes you feel great every day.
I can grow in the best way possible.
The most ambitious and fun people are working together.